The Adventures of V-Man, sponsored by Dherbs.com.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Vinnie. We're here for another episode of The Adventures of V-Man. We're here in West LA at Transformational Healing Universe. We're about to get some BioCharging, some PEMF work, some light therapy. I can't wait. This is going to be a lot of fun. All right, let's go.
I'm Dr. Har Hari Khalsa. This is Transformational Healing Universe, Los Angeles. We've been here for a couple years in this space. I've been practicing holistic chiropractic for 32 years in West LA. I was trained in yogic healing and Ayurveda and lots of different holistic modalities. Chiropractic being the most basic form, right? But still very powerful. So our center is based in, chiropractic is our main focus, but we have a lot of different biohacking, energy medicine therapies here. The one that we started with, the chamber, we just call it the chamber, but it's really a combination of three things. It's using the Vibe bioharmonic bed, which is sound therapy. That's literally vibrating every cell of your body. You can feel it. It's it's not subtle. It's strong. Yeah. And then we also used the Pandora Star, which is using hypnagogic light frequencies to entrain the brain into a deeper state of relaxation.
All right. So after meeting Dr. Har Hari Khalsa, he shows me this room, and there's some kind of bed with a wooden cage around it with some plastic tubing woven through it. He called it the chamber, and what it is, it's a light therapy. And let me tell you, when you're in there and you're under that light that's super special, I don't know what it is, and the bed is vibrating and you're listening to the music and you're closing your eyes and all you see is kaleidoscope patterns and images and bright colors, and that it helps just completely de-stress the body.
That chamber basically deprograms you from all the stress. And that's why it's so important, because if you don't get rid of the stress, you're not getting to the root of the problem, which is stress.
That was wild.
Yeah. Whew. Yeah, I love doing an hour on this thing.
Wow,
You just feel like a new person, It's amazing.
My body feels tingly. I don't know if that's because of the vibration.
Because it's opening up the circulation.
Yeah.
Everything. Yeah.
It was actually really relaxing. I was there for 15 minutes. He said you can go longer and longer. The longer you go, the more it de-stresses the body, and that seems to be his MO there. Just the more you can bring down the stress, the better it is for your body.
PEMF is pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, right? And it's raising the magnetic energy of the body. All living beings on this planet require magnetic energy for life, okay? It's documented, proven, absolutely. It's as essential as oxygen, food, water. There's a fourth thing, magnetic. If we don't have enough magnetic energy, or if we're not bathed in a field of magnetic energy, we will shrivel and die. And that's what they've seen in research.
The PEMF therapy that we did, it's like if you've ever had patches on certain muscles that send electrical impulses to your muscles, and it's kind of like a therapy. You feel your muscles twitching like that. Imagine that, but an entire bed. He turned it up. I was laying on it. I didn't feel anything. He turned it up a little too much for me, and I just felt like my whole body was instantly like, ugh. But he turned it back down, and it actually felt really great. I felt like immediately I was benefiting from it. My whole body was tingly, and it was really cool. I don't know how else to describe it besides my entire body was like pulsing with the bed. And then he put this thing on top of me, which kind of enhanced the therapy, like on my digestive system area. So I was getting it from both the front, I was getting it from both the top and the bottom, so above and below me. I was like sandwiched between these electrical impulses, and it was like I was getting charged, and I felt great afterwards. I felt really energized, actually.
Alright, do it
You gotta
again.
pee,
Uh-huh.
and your stomach starts going like I can hold it, but it feels like that, but throughout my entire torso.
All right, thanks for hanging out with the Adventures of V-Man. We have a couple more things that we're gonna cover that we did at the Transformational Healing Universe with Dr. Har Hari Khalsa. That'll be in the next video, so be sure to check that out.